Imagine a world where the boundary between living organisms and inanimate matter blurs, not through science fiction, but through the peculiar order of quasicrystals. Quasicrystals are structures whose atomic arrangement is neither completely random nor perfectly periodic like ordinary crystals. Instead, they follow complex patterns that repeat without ever exactly matching, creating intricate mosaics that have fascinated physicists since their discovery in the 1980s. What does this unusual order have to do with life? The Quasicrystal Life Hypothesis proposes that certain quasicrystalline patterns might possess emergent behaviors resembling the hallmarks of living systems: self-organization, information processing, and adaptability. Could a purely physical structure, formed under the right conditions, begin to act like a simple life form? Proponents point to the way quasicrystals can catalyze chemical reactions on their surfaces, trap and release molecules selectively, and maintain stable yet flexible architectures, all features reminiscent of primitive cell membranes or enzyme scaffolds. One striking example comes from laboratory experiments showing that quasi-crystalline alloys can selectively concentrate organic molecules from dilute solutions, a property called molecular adsorption. This is the same principle by which cell membranes gather nutrients and signals from their surroundings. If a quasi-crystalline surface can create localized pockets of higher concentration for specific molecules, might that have offered an early pathway for prebiotic chemistry on the primordial Earth? Researchers have observed that certain quasi-crystalline alloys catalyze reactions more efficiently than ordinary metals, suggesting a catalytic role that could mirror enzyme-like behavior. Yet skepticism remains. Life is more than just chemical catalysis. It involves replication, metabolism, and information storage. Can quasicrystals replicate or evolve? Some theorists argue that growth processes in quasicrystalline materials, where new layers build themselves following non-repeating patterns, share conceptual similarities with biological growth, but true replication with error correction and heredity has never been observed in non-biological quasicrystals. Without these capabilities, the hypothesis remains speculative. How do scientists test these ideas? By probing quasi-crystal surfaces with advanced microscopy and spectroscopy. Researchers measure reaction rates, molecular binding affinities, and structural stability under changing environmental conditions. Computational models simulate how quasi-crystalline patterns could influence chemical networks, providing theoretical insight into whether such structures could support the complex feedback loops necessary for lifelike behavior. The implications are profound. If any form of emergent lifelike behavior in quasicrystals were confirmed, it would expand our definition of life beyond carbon-based chemistry and suggest that the universe could host life in forms radically different from our own. This could reshape astrobiology, guiding the search for life on planets or moons where quasicrystalline minerals are abundant. Ultimately, the quasicrystal life hypothesis challenges us to reconsider what it means to be alive. Is life strictly a product of biological evolution, or can complex physical systems edge toward living behavior under the right conditions? While definitive proof remains elusive, the ongoing exploration of quasicrystals pushes the boundaries of both material science and our understanding of life's origins. Could the key to unlocking alternative life forms lie hidden in the mesmerizing, never-repeating patterns of quasicrystals? The quest continues, reminding us that life might be woven into the very fabric of matter itself. Quasicrystals are solid structures whose atomic arrangement is ordered but non-periodic, exhibiting symmetries forbidden in conventional crystals, e.g., five-fold rotational symmetry. This aperiodic order creates long-range pattern coherence without repeating unit cells, giving quasicrystals unique physical and electronic properties. Unlike random amorphous solids, quasicrystals maintain deterministic atomic positions that could theoretically encode information. Their stability at a wide range of temperatures and resistivity to defect propagation set them apart as potential scaffolds for lifelike complexity. Aluminum manganese quasicrystals grown in the lab form stable, intricate patterns with predictable diffraction signatures. Quasicrystals are like a non-repeating wallpaper pattern that nonetheless covers a wall seamlessly and predictably without ever repeating the same motif. Quasicrystalline structures can spontaneously form through energy-minimizing self-assembly of atoms or nanoparticles under controlled conditions. This emergent order arises without external templating, suggesting a bottom-up pathway to complexity analogous to biological self-organization. The resulting patterns balance local interactions and global symmetry constraints, producing hierarchically nested motifs. Such intrinsic ordering hints that quasicrystals could serve as prebiotic scaffolds for organizing matter into increasingly complex arrangements. Silicon nanoparticles, suspensions, cooled under specific conditions, self-assemble into quasi-crystalline phases. It's like Lego bricks that automatically snap into a complex mosaic without instructions, simply because of their shape and magnetic connectors. The deterministic yet non-repeating atomic patterns of quasi-crystals can encode vast amounts of spatial information in 3 dimensions. This spatial encoding parallels how DNA stores genetic information in linear sequences, but in quasicrystals, the information resides in positional order rather than sequence. Changes in local tiling arrangements could represent state transitions analogous to bit flips in digital memory. Consequently, quasicrystals present a hypothetical substrate for information processing without organic molecules. Different tiling patches within a decagonal quasicrystal could be mapped to distinct data sum station states in nanoscale memory devices. A quasicrystal's pattern is like an infinitely complex mosaic tile floor. Each unique arrangement conveys a specific message without ever repeating exactly. The aperiodic surfaces of quasicrystals expose a high density of distinct atomic sites, enabling selective adsorption and catalytic activity for chemical reactions. Experimental studies show quasicrystal surfaces can catalyze hydrogenation and oxidation reactions more efficiently than many crystalline metals. This surface versatility suggests quasicrystals could host reaction networks resembling primitive metabolic cycles. Their stability under extreme conditions further supports their potential as proto-biological reaction centers. An aluminum-copper-iron quasicrystal catalyzes the hydrogenation of ethylene under mild conditions. Quasicrystal surfaces act like a Swiss Army knife for chemistry, offering multiple specialized tools in one stable framework. Quasicrystalline order tolerates and heals certain defects by reorganizing local tiling patterns rather than propagating cracks, demonstrating a form of intrinsic self-repair. Growth occurs via layer-by-layer addition following precise matching rules, preserving global aperiodic order. This capability parallels biological regeneration, where local damage is corrected without losing overall structure. It suggests quasicrystals could maintain integrity in dynamic environments, an essential lifelike property. Indented quasicrystal surfaces naturally reconstruct their tiling pattern when annealed, restoring order. A quasicrystal is like a puzzle whose pieces realign themselves when slightly shifted, automatically fixing small disruptions. Phonon and electron transport in quasicrystals is highly anisotropic and tunable, enabling controlled dissipation of energy gradients. This directed energy flow can drive non-equilibrium reaction networks akin to primitive metabolic processes. Quasicrystal matrices may thus convert external energy inputs, heat, light, into organized chemical transformations. Such energy management is a cornerstone of living systems and suggests quasicrystals could support emergent autocatalytic cycles. Quasicrystal thin films demonstrate directional heat conduction, useful for thermal diode applications. Energy moving through a quasicrystal is like water channeled through a series of one-way valves, directed and regulated rather than diffusing randomly. Laboratory experiments combining quasicrystalline nanoparticles with simple organics show enhanced reaction selectivity and pattern formation reminiscent of primitive cell-like compartments. Under cyclic heating and cooling, these assemblies concentrate reactants and form dynamic surface patterns that grow, reorganize, and occasionally shed fragments. Such behaviors mirror fundamental aspects of growth compartmentalization, and replication seen in proto-cells. These findings lend empirical support to the Quasicrystal Life Hypothesis. Gold aluminum quasicrystal seeds and fatty acid emulsions promote droplet budding and division under thermal cycling. It's like soap bubbles forming, dividing, and reorganizing spontaneously in a heated pan of oil. Quasicrystals have been identified in meteorites, indicating they can form naturally in extraterrestrial environments. Their robustness and multifunctionality suggest they could serve as non-carbon scaffolds for life in extreme planetary conditions where organic chemistry is limited. Searching for quasicrystalline patterns in planetary samples expands the scope of life detection beyond conventional biosignatures. This widens the definition of habitable niches in astrobiology. Quasicrystals, discovered in the Caterca meteorite, demonstrate natural aperiodic ordering formed in space. Quasicrystals and meteorites are like alien seeds, self-assembled structures that may carry the blueprint for alternative life. Engineering quasi-crystal-based nanomaterials could yield self-repairing electronics, programmable matter, and artificial proto-cells for synthetic biology. Computational design of tailored quasi-crystal tilings enables encoding complex logic and catalytic functions into solid frameworks. Exploring quasi-crystals as lifelike platforms challenges our definitions of life and opens new frontiers in materials science, origin of life research, and unconventional computing. Ultimately, validating the quasicrystal life hypothesis could revolutionize both fundamental biology and advanced technology. Prototype quasicrystal coatings that self-heal microscopic scratches are already under development for aerospace applications. Designing quasicrystal materials is like programming a living machine, embedding instructions and repair routines into its very structure.